awkward.
Well, we are having a dance party to celebrate that we have reached
5.
That's right, 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for helping us reach to this incredible number. As a special thank you, we are doing a giveaway. That's right, we are doing a $5,000. Okay, maybe not $5,000, but we are doing 5 prizes for 1 winner. Okay, you wanna know what's gonna be in the giveaway? Let me show you. Okay, so one of the prizes is what's in here. What do you think this is? I'll show you. It's hard to see, but it is a wine tumbler. I use these also for cocktails. It comes with a metal straw and even a cleaner to clean the straw. I love these so much and I use them all the time. Another prize, my husband is making his famous Chipotle seasoning. I don't know if you know much about it, but how to make Chipotle seasoning. You take jalapenos and you smoke them, then you dry them, then you grind them. There's this big process, but it's fresh, homemade Chipotle seasoning. Another product we are giving away is this portable blender. That's right, it is portable. You just plug it in like you would plug a phone or anything else. I'm actually gonna do a video on it next when we pick the winners, so you can kind of see everything that it does, but we are giving away one of these. Okay, I could go on and on about the prizes. I am really excited to one lucky winner. You will win all of these. If you want to be entered in the giveaway, just comment down below with the hashtag #ILikeItSpicy and you will be entered to win. We'll pick the winner on August 5th when I release the next video. Well, thank you guys so much from the bottom of our hearts. We really appreciate you helping us reach this amazing goal. Bye, and see you in the next video.